Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a voice changer working on your Meta Quest 2, Quest 3, or Quest 3S without using a PC. First, take your VoiceMod key and find the port labeled controller. Take your 3.5mm cable and plug it into the controller option on the VoiceMod key. Next, plug that USB-C adapter directly into your Meta Quest headset. This connects your Quest to the VoiceMod key through the audio cable. After that, take the USB-C cable that comes from the VoiceMod key itself and connect it to your mobile device. Your mobile device will act as the voice changer. Make sure you have the VoiceMod app installed and open on your phone. Select the voice effect you want to use inside the app. Now take your wired headset and plug it into the headset jack on the VoiceMod key. This allows you to hear your audio and make sure your voice is routed correctly through the device. Once everything is connected, put on your Meta Quest headset. Open Quick Settings and go to the microphone or audio section. Make sure the external microphone or USB microphone option is enabled. This ensures your Quest uses the connected device instead of the built-in mic. Now when you speak inside any game or social app, your voice will be changed in real time through your mobile device and VoiceMod key. Thanks for watching.